Alright, the recipe said to make it kind of pasty. That's what I did. For the ta'amiyah slash falafel mix from the cookbook, it said you gotta let it rest for half an hour, so I'm gonna go ahead and let it rest now. Alright, I kneaded it like it said. It's kind of interesting texture, but I'm following what it says. Gonna turn it into patties and then fry it up. They turned out wonderful. I ate some as I cooked them and they are so good. Okay, now these will be blended for the hummus. Ooh, it smells great, looks great. Alright, it came out fantastic. Mashaallah, tabarakallah. And then this one will be for my eldest's school lunch. Alright, and this is the final product. Alright, this is the final product. We got the baba ganoush that I made yesterday with the pomegranate molasses. And then this is looking good. And these are called ta'amiyah falafel. Ta'amiyah. Look at that. So well. Mashaallah. Alhamdulillah. And then here is the recipe, hummus bit tahina. Really good. Same recipe. I doubled it, kind of tripled it really, because I made some extra for my eldest school lunch. This is the other cookbook. Okay, now this is the recipe for the ta'amiyah or the falafels. Mashaallah, it's good. And then it's just called them bean rissoles, so that was another interesting. And they also have different variations to try that I'll try in the future, inshallah. But for now, that was what we did. They had lots of tips here, tell us what to do. I really enjoyed them. Mashaallah.